again we're asking ourselves, what is electricity? That's the very first concept we should understand. That electricity is the flow of electric current. All right, Janvi? It is the flow of electric current. That's what we say electricity is. Now, what is electric current itself? Again, electric current is the flow of electric charges. That is the electrons. The electrons. Now, for us to understand better, it's good first to understand something we call atoms. Atoms. Atoms have a simple structure of an atom will look like this one. This is we have the core, and this core we call it the nucleus, and we have what we call the energy levels. Energy levels. So these energy levels, this is where we find what? The electrons. So we can say here we find the electrons, and at the nucleus, inside the nucleus, what do we find? We find protons and neutrons. All right. So the other statement we're going to write here is that any good conductor of electricity, because we have a classification of conductors. We have what we call good conductors. We have what we call the insulators. Of course, we have some others like semiconductors. We also have the semiconductors and poor conductors. Like water. Water is a poor conductor of electricity. Okay? It is a conductor of electricity, but a poor one. All right? We have most metals are good conductors of electricity. And then we have what we call the semiconductors, whose conductivity is in between good conductors and insulators. All right. So you can write here and say good conductors of electricity contains millions of free electrons. So we have already said that electric current is that flow of electric charge, specifically the flow of electron. The flow of electrons. So any good conductor would have millions and millions of free electrons. Millions and millions of free electrons. Now, the other statement we're going to say here is that, so if once we find a means to cause these electrons to start flowing, that is what we call electric current. A means to cause those electrons to start flowing. We call that one electric current. Okay? Are we together? So how can we make them flow? By connecting a conductor in a simple circuit. Electrons are caused to flow by the potential difference. You can write into bracket by the voltage here, i.e. electrical energy. So if you can build a simple circuit and then the conductor is there, then you connect a cell or a battery. Kindly note here, the sources of electrical energy, that causes electrons to flow are. So we can have a few. Any example of electrical energy, sources of electrical energy that can cause electrons to flow in a circuit? Yes or yes? A socket. Now, a socket is just a physical infrastructure that is available to us that delivers us that electrical energy. But what is the source? Yes, Idris. Yes, we can have a generator is one. So a generator, a battery. Another one, or a cell, etc. A cell, of course, they are different. There may be a chemical cell, a dry cell, a solar cell. There may be different of them, but those are examples of a source of electrical energy that would cause electrons to start flowing. And once electrons start flowing in a simple circuit, then here goes, we have electricity.